Good morning, everyone, and welcome on this new Tuesday. Today, what I wanted to share with you are some of the benefits of having teeth that are properly aligned. And so, someone can maybe have teeth that are crowded or not well aligned, or crooked, as somebody calls them. And that can cause some problems with their overall health. And so I wanted to discuss today what are some of the benefits of having orthodontic treatment, which is a dental treatment that allows people to have teeth that are well aligned or straight, as some people refer to it as. So the first benefit that I want to talk about is something that most people will probably know, is that having teeth that are well aligned allows you to have a smile that is well balanced, or a beautiful smile, because your teeth are well positioned. And so that can definitely improve people's aesthetic, the way they view themselves, the way people view them. And it can also boost their sense of confidence by having braces. And we've seen that happen time and time again, where people had teeth that were either crowded, or even sometimes, teeth that had a lot of spaces. And after having the teeth aligned, it just boosts their self-esteem. So that is one of the benefit that is very, very obvious. Another benefit is that having teeth that are well aligned can help you in cases, for example, where there is crowding, or your teeth are, pushed together, if I can describe that in such a way, is that having such a condition will prevent you from being able to clean your teeth properly, because many of these people experience a lot of difficulties brushing their teeth properly, getting to all the surfaces of their teeth, but also they're not able to floss well. And that being said, they end up packing a lot of dental plaque that hardens, or calculus, which is a plaque that has hardened. So that being said, it can cause sometimes it can cause recession. It can also cause periodontal disease when you have that hard plaque that accumulates around your teeth. It causes or leads to infection of your gum, and it can also affect the bone that supports your teeth. And so once people have the teeth aligned, they're better able to brush their teeth, to floss their teeth, and it reduces plaque accumulation also. So even from that standpoint, because once you start having periodontal disease, it can become so severe that you end up, having mobility of your teeth, and some people lose their teeth that way. So you would understand then that, having orthodontic treatment can help you in that sense, in that you can be better able to, please forgive me, be better able to brush your teeth and ensure that you have adequate oral health. Another, excuse me, benefit from having orthodontic treatment or your teeth aligned is that for people who have spaces between their teeth, many times they will experience that food gets stuck between their teeth. And so that was my case when before I had braces. I had some spaces between my molars, and every time I ate, I always had food that would get stuck between my teeth. And it was not just inconvenient, it was painful, and it was damaging my gum. But once I had proper orthodontic treatment, I was able to no longer experience the food impaction of food getting stuck between my teeth. And so I can eat comfortably. I don't have to feel pain every time I eat my food. That's one of the benefits as well. Um, There are cases, another thing is that there are cases where your teeth are positioned in such a way that it causes you to have dental wear or abrasion. And so the teeth become abraded, they become flattened in some area because the teeth are not positioned properly. They're not in the proper place. And so with that being said, after having orthodontic treatment and realigning the teeth, it can lead to that abrasion to stop, because you cannot necessarily reverse, even though you can do some dental treatment that would create teeth that are regain their shape. But so what are the danger of having a tooth abrasion is that you can start having sensitivity. That's one of the main causes. You can have teeth sensitivity because your teeth have been flattened and the enamel, which is the outside portion of your teeth, have been abraded. And that is the part of our teeth that helps us prevent sensitivity to cold or even to heat. So that's another benefit. Another thing that we come to find out is that there are some people who have teeth that are so misaligned that it can cause them to have TMJ problem. And TMJ problem is problems at the level of the temporal mandibular function, the temporal mandibular function. And so that is the articulation here between your maxilla and your mandible. So when you open, you start having pain. You have pain because either abrasion or just the alignment of your teeth, and it can cause you so much problems to where you even have to take medication. And so many people have experienced an alleviation of that pain when they have had TMJ problems or TMD, which is temporal mandibular disease. So they are able to feel better after having their teeth aligned. I'm not saying that every cases of TMD is caused by misalignment of teeth, but there have been some cases where it was so, and after having the teeth aligned, it allowed them to feel that alleviation to where they were no longer feeling that kind of pain. So those were some of the benefits I wanted to talk to you about today of having your teeth properly aligned. And there are many ways of fixing the problem. Some people, you can have dental braces, or you can also even have clear aligners. And there are so many people that do not like, the braces look, or having, all that grayish appliance on their teeth. And so for them, in fact, there is possibility to have dental braces that are white, so it doesn't show when you smile, and no one can really tell that you have braces. But another way of aligning teeth is also with clear aligners, to where you wear your aligners and you only take them off when you eat, and then after that you put them back, and slowly it just realigns your teeth. So the fact that people don't want to have that brace look is not even a real problem as far as having the teeth aligned, because there are many options. And one last thing I wanted to let you know is that there is no age limits to having braces. You can be a teenager, you can be a young adult, an adult, you can be even older, even in your 60s, 70s, and you can still benefit from dental treatment, that is orthodontic treatment. So that's what I wanted to discuss with you today. And that being said, please make sure that you make your day a great day, because it is within your reach. So be blessed. Bye-bye.